Sports fans, welcome back to another video on This or That Sports TV. As you can see, we are here at the National Stadium and we're early. So because we were early, we decided what better to do with our time than produce content for you guys, our faithful sports fans. You know?
We're not only early, bro. We're not just early. We're the first fans. We're officially the first fans inside the stadium.
Officially the first fans. But you know, we do it for the love and we do it for the patriotism, and this is our passion. This is football for us. So what are we going to talk about, Rush?
Yeah, more would touch on like what does this game mean for Jamaica? Why do we have to win this game? Why is it so important to us? And where are we in the standings? Let's just touch on it. A little preview for the game.
Alright, well, we would have already done our official preview, but we're here. And
what does today mean?
It means everything. It means absolutely everything. This is the biggest game of our lives, Rush. Of our lifetime.
For sure. I've never seen a bigger Jamaica game.
This game is what will determine if we will continue to fight for Qatar in a couple of months. As you guys can see, I'm nervous. I'm filled with emotion.
I'm excited now, bro. I'm not even nervous. I'm excited.
I just want a chance for us to keep going. I just want a chance. I just want a good performance. And a day like today, this marks the 24th anniversary of our qualification. This also marks the anniversary of the only murderless day in Jamaican history.
Yes, sir.
And I'm talking about a day without murders in Jamaica. That's unheard of.
But imagine what that could do for Jamaica right now. Imagine qualifying for the World Cup, bro, and the social impact that will have on the nation. If
we qualify for the World Cup, bro,
I can't imagine it. I'm need for reach by next year December, then coming in for the Qatar.
So subscribe. You get me, I say? So we are begging to subscribe so we can go to Qatar. We do team. You know that go.
Alright, talk about the standings a little bit. Where are we in the standings?
Well,
what would today mean if we win?
Guys, you see what we are doing for now?
We're in a fall.
But anyways, we continue, we work. We in 6th, right? 5 off 4th. And personally, I think 4th place is still very, very much within the realm of possibility. 3rd place is a stretch, but we still can come 3rd. But right now, I hope that we can just play well for that 4th spot, get into the playoffs, and just give ourselves a chance, you know. And it starts from today. All
right, the rain is coming down, but we're here recording. We'll wrap it up soon. But how far are we from 3rd?
All right, so we are.
We're on 6th and 3rd is on 13. Alright, so we're 7 points off
7, so I was right. Shit.
Yeah, guys, so we're 7 points off 3rd, 5 points off 4th. We should be one of those 4 teams competing for those 2 spots, but at the moment we're not.
Well, as I said, it just takes a good performance.
We'll have to wrap it up.
You guys, as you can see, guys, the rain will come down, but we will be here.